Hey guys, Charlani here. Thanks so much for tuning in to Charlani TV. In today's video, we are making super simple homemade chili that everyone can make. This is it. Literally, this is all you need to make super easy, really quick, very yummy chili. A little bit of tomato sauce, some diced tomatoes, tomato paste. These are the seasoning packs that I have on hand. I also use the Mrs. Dash chili seasoning packs. They're really, really good. I don't use that many different kinds of beans. We've got black beans, chili beans, kidney beans, and great northern beans. And then this right here is the secret sauce.
Life in a world that keeps changing.
I start by browning 1 pound of ground beef. I've got some sirloin here. You can use chicken, you can use turkey, and I season it with garlic sea salt and a little bit of black pepper. And I am very aware of the controversy between, is there supposed to be meat in chili? So let me know in the comments, are you someone who puts meat in your chili or do you keep it beans only? I feel like your answer is gonna depend on how you grew up, where you grew up, because everybody seems to have a different opinion about it. Either way, I'm a meat girl, so if you are not, then just omit this step. That just makes making this chili a little bit easier for you.
I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you.
While my ground beef is browning, I'm opening up all of the cans. I like to have all of this done so I can just dump everything in at one time.
I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection. What is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds.
I'm only opening some of these cans halfway because I'm using the lid as kind of like a strainer. I actually take out most of the liquid, except for in the kidney beans. That just gives it a little bit of a starch and some thickness to the sauce, but everything else I drain. And you can actually use a strainer and drain everything and then rinse them off if that's your preference, but I just don't do that.
Catch a glimpse of the outside, then.
Everything is ready to go. The meat is nicely brown. I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna mash it up because I like little bits of hamburger in my chili. I don't like big, huge like meatballs. So I break it up just a little bit.
Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now.
I will definitely put what I use in this recipe in the description box for you, but what's really cool about this is you can add hot sauce, you can add different seasonings, different spices, anything you want you can add to this dish and it'll just make it that much better.
Capture your body, get your best side, breathe in the world, fake us a smile, walk in the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now.
That is it. And now you just let it sit. It'll be good to go in about 30 minutes, but the longer you let it sit, the thicker it's going to get and the more obviously flavorful it's gonna get because everything will have been sitting with itself. But so yummy. This is the best chili, and how easy was that? Literally anybody can make this. So good. I've got it on medium-high heat and I'm just bringing it all to a boil, and then I'm going to turn it down to low-medium heat and let it just simmer. And like I said, the longer you let it sit, the better it's going to taste. And if you want your chili to be a little bit thicker, then just let it sit and then you can add tomato paste to it. If you feel like there's too much liquid there, then just let it kind of boil off, leave the lid off of your pot. That way it'll thicken up a little bit quicker for you. And I'm just whipping up a quick batch of cornbread. This is the Jiffy Box mix. If you are a homemade cornbread maker, kudos to you. I will figure out a really good recipe for it. But for tonight, quick and easy is my jam. So boxed cornbread is where it's at for us. And by the way, they were really good. And I know, messiest cornbread maker ever tonight. I don't know what my deal is, but I just, for some reason, made a big mess here. All right, guys, this is what we've got. Yummy chili. We've got some cornbread that we whipped up. I like to eat my chili on a bed of brown rice, but it smells so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to Charlani TV, I would love it if you did. And if you decide to try this recipe, I would love to know if you and your family loves it as much as we do. Thanks, guys. Have a great night. Bye.